As you know, UPSC Civils examination is very dynamic, and the pattern or style of questions in the prelims as well as mains are changing every year. And mains answer writing has become very critical because it is the rank getting factor. Also, the type of current affairs coming in the exam is also changing. Students should also revise more by studying only limited resources. Also, you should be very clear about what books you are reading. Also, you need a personal mentor to clear the doubts and guide you whenever you are not going right direction. So, keeping all these things in mind, at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy, we are launching a new batch for Prelims come Mains Foundation coaching. So, in this batch, we will be taking only 50 students per batch, offline Hyderabad, Vijayawada, as well as online, because only if there are 50 or less than that in the classroom, faculty will be able to interact with them personally, clear their doubts instantly. Also, for the offline students, we are providing free study hall with a mentor to clear their doubts, so that there will be a good ecosystem to prepare very well, and also there will be a strong peer group. The faculty who takes classes to you are the experts and experienced in the subject. Most of them have gone till UPSC interview or got some service and left the service. We also have few rankers taking the classes. So not only faculty take the classes, but also they'll be available to clear your doubts and evaluate your papers. Even the rankers who come regularly to interact with you explain their strategy and will review your preparation plan. Also, a personal mentor will be attached to every student. This personal mentor regularly interacts with the student, either online student or offline student. They interact with the student to clear their doubts, to give them daily, weekly, monthly targets, and monitor their preparation, review their sources, their revision plan, how well they are going in current affairs, CSAT, general studies, optional, all these things. Also, most importantly, they'll be evaluating your weekly exams and giving you feedback, valuable feedback. Here, we will be conducting daily exams, weekly and monthly tests. So the course will be for 10 months. All these 10 months, you'll be writing daily, weekly and monthly exams. All the question papers are made by our research and development wing, R&D team. Every question is authentic and genuinely made by us, not picked from any other test series sources. So our R&D team, while making a question, keeps in the mind the recent pattern of UPSC, the type of multiple statement questions, only two, only three options given, the type of questions coming in the mains, also the peripheral topics of current affairs which UPSC is asking these days. Even after 10 months of the course, there will be continued support from our side, wherein you can access our prelims as well as mains test series for free till you clear the examination. We will be providing you with the free material. We give you our faculties, class notes, our R&D team material for each subject, NCRTs required for UPSC, and standard books required for preparation. Because of these four sources, you no need to go out and purchase anything. Even current affairs, we take weekly current affairs classes. We provide daily material for current affairs and monthly magazines also. Not only the UPSC current affairs magazines, but also students preparing for State Public Service Commission will be giving the state specific current affairs also in English, made by our team. Also, we will be conducting daily, weekly and monthly specifically current affairs exams. So if you attend all the examinations, none of the questions coming in UPSC will go out of these tests. As you know, CSAT has become very tricky, very difficult. In last 3 years, several students are unable to qualify CSAT. Keeping this in mind, we are taking CSAT module within this Prelims cum Mains Foundation course, wherein the best faculty will teach you reasoning, arithmetic as well as English comprehensions, and you will definitely able to clear CSAT paper. Also, as I told you in the beginning, mains answer writing is the key. So there will be separate classes on the mains answer writing, how to enrich your answers, how to write the best introduction, conclusion, body of the answer, mind maps, flow charts, how to involve the current affairs, include the current affairs and the facts in the mains answers. There will be special focus on essay writing classes and on ethics subject. For students preparing for Public Service Commission of their own state, state specific subjects are also taught as a part of this Prelims and Mains Foundation course, because we believe that even if you are unable to clear UPSC in the first attempt, you should be able to clear Group 1 examination or Group 2 examination. During this course, there will be group discussions and debates, elocutions, so that students will be ready for the interview also. The optionals we provide here along with general studies are sociology, PSIR and anthropology, because these three are highly scoring optionals in the last few years. If you miss any class during this course, you can access the recorded classes even after the 10 months course duration. So, to summarize, our Prelims cum Mains Foundation course is a package of classes by expert faculty, personalized mentorship, offline as well as online classes, free material, standard books, NCRTs, our material, everything, and free test series and free study hall with focus on mains answer writing and without neglecting CSAT. So make use of it. To enroll in this course, click on the link given below in description. All the best.